How to automatically generate an XML sitemap in Laravel. What is sitemap? The sitemap is a file that contains links to all pages on your site. This helps search engines crawl your site better and index your pages faster. Sitemaps are essential for SEO. They allow search engines to crawl your entire site and index its contents. Follow the below step-by-step guide on how to automatically generate an XML sitemap in Laravel application. We are going to create a XML sitemap for our posts using a Spatty Laravel sitemap package. Step 1. Install Laravel application. Copy the following code and run it in the terminal as shown. Hit enter and let it install the Laravel application. Step 2. Create database and configure. Open phpMyAdmin and create a new database with following name and then press create. Enter the database details to .env file as shown and then save the file. Step 3. Installing Spatty Laravel sitemap package. Copy and run the following code in terminal to install Laravel sitemap. Step 4. Creating post model, migration and controller. By running the following command, it will create all model, migration and controller. Now update the post model. You will need to update the post migration file also. Run the migration to create a tables to our database. Step 5. Create dummy records for post. So, now we are going to create factory for our post model using the following command. Update the post factory file as shown. Run the tinker. The following command will create 30 dummy posts. Exit tinker. Step 6. Creating sitemap command. Run the following command in terminal to create sitemap command. Now update the following code in sitemap command file. This is console command. This code will create sitemap for our posts inside public directory. Step 7. Scheduled command in console kernel. Add the following line to kernel.php to schedule sitemap to be run daily. Step 8. Testing. For testing, we will generate our sitemap manually by running the following command. This command will generate our sitemap in public directory. Run the following command to start the artisan development server. Now you can open the sitemap using the following link. You can change the priority as shown. Regenerate the sitemap for changes. As you can see, we change frequency from monthly to daily. We also change slug post to article. This concludes our tutorial on how to automatically generate an XML sitemap.